morning, dear students. Today we study about Mendel's laws. Mendel proposed three laws of inheritance: law of dominance and law of segregation, or and third, law of independent assortment. These laws are known as principles of Mendel's. So let's start. Principle of dominance or law of dominance. At first, Mendel crossed between pea plant for one character only, one pair of contrasting traits. Each such experiment is known as monohybrid cross, which is obtained by mating of two breeding individuals from two parent varieties. The principle of dominance is used to describe the expression of one of the parent characters in the F1 generation through the monohybrid cross. One of the first factor noticed by Mendel was that only one contrasting character developed out of two contrasting characters in the first generation. The second character is disappeared. It is known as recessive character, and show character is dominant character. The trait of any character expressed in the F1 generation is controlled by the dominant factor, and the trait not expressed is controlled by the recessive factor. For instance, tall plants are said to be dominant over the recessive dwarf plant. Mendel studied the length of plants. If tall plant capital T was crossed with a dwarf plant small t, the seed produced only tall plants, capital T small t, hybrid tall. Mendel experiment based on tall plant and dwarf plant. This is a tall plant, capital T, and this is a dwarf plant, small t. Cross between and first F1 generation plants produced tall hybrid plant, capital T small t. Presentation of principle of dominance. By these experiments, Mendel assumed that in seeds of F1 generation, there are traits for the characters of tallness as well as dwarfness. Because in F1 generation, character of tallness is expressed, this is called dominant trait and symbolized by capital T. The character of darkness is not expressed in F1 generation and is therefore called recessive trait and is symbolized by small t. Since about 1910, such genetic elements, whether dominant or recessive, have been called genes. If a pair is formed of identical genetic factors, capital T or small t, then it is referred to as homozygous. This is called homozygous called homozygote. If the pair is formed of different alleles, capital T small t is known as allele, it is referred to as heterozygous. What are heterozygous? Different opposite characters are present, capital T, small t. This is known as heterozygous. This principle is also known as Mendel's law of dominance. Principle of dominance is also known as Mendel's law of dominance. Dominant characters shown in F1 generation, first filial generation. This is shown in figure, parent plant, dwarf plant, and F1 generation character, tallness character and dwarfness characters. So, and F1 generation shows tallness character. This is a hybrid character, and further next generation shows the dwarfness character. First F1 generation is shown tallness character. This is the dominant character. So Mendel's this law is called dominance law of Mendel's dominance. Mendel का principle of dominance or law of dominance. Thank you.